Still using just Control C and Control V? Wait till you unlock this hidden clipboard history feature in Windows, and it will change the way you work forever. So I'll press the window key and V as in Victor, and it will open the clipboard history for you. And here you can also go with the emojis, GIF, signs, symbols, and the last copied items. The best part is it will stores the last 25 copied items, and how we can enable it. If you're unable to turn on, by pressing window and V, then you just need to do a right click in the start icon, go to settings, and here we will go to the second option called system, and from the right hand side we will scroll down and look for clipboard. Now it says save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the window logo key with the V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. So you can turn on, and you can also share to across devices. You can paste text to your other devices when it's on. Microsoft receives your clipboard data to sync it across devices. And whenever you want to clear the clipboard data, you can simply clear and it will be removed. And one more thing, I'll press window V. If you're using most of the things again and again, you can pin it like this, right? You can pin it and you can use every time. So this is a very time-saving feature as well. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section are you using it or not. Have a wonderful day. Take care.